Your mind can really play tricks on you alone in the mountains, in the dark. I glassed that spot for about 3 hours. No luck there. Let's keep making our way up this ridge and see if we can find another angle to glass this hillside at. Got him, you guys. Got a nice grouse. I shot him off of a branch. Oh, there he is. Look at that beast. That is a beautiful, beautiful bird. Oh, wow. Look at this gigantic blue grouse, you guys. This thing is absolutely massive. Look at those tail feathers. What a hefty bird. Look at the size of those feet. We gotta get this guy cleaned up and keep going. Glad I brought my 22. Wow, beautiful, beautiful bird. Thanks, buddy. Okay, this looks like a pretty good spot. I'm up on a knob. I got a really good vantage point of this hillside over here and even the other side of this ridge. But the problem is I don't have any water. I only have like a liter of water and I'm up on this ridge. So I actually think there's like a little pond over here on the map. So what we're gonna do is still hunt over to that pond, fill up like 4-liter water bags, and we'll come back here, we'll glass and start a fire, and we'll cook this guy up. The blue grouse right there, but all I have is a 30-06. I do have my 22 in my backpack, but this guy is gonna live for now. Later, buddy. Got some remnants of a old camp here. Old fire ring, sawed up benches, a shovel. Seriously, I always wonder why or who's bringing shovels. Some nice swampy green water here. I'm just gonna get 2 liters. Got all types of sticks and shit in there. I really just need it to clean off that grouse. I think I got enough water to drink back in my pack. If we really have to, we can filter it, but it is just straight up green. Nasty. set out today to literally find anything, a deer, a bear, a grouse, a mushroom, didn't matter to me. But mistakes have been made. On any of those things, I would need seasoning, at least salt and pepper. I didn't bring any seasoning whatsoever. But yeah, we're gonna char these bad boys up and chow down. I am wicked hungry. We are actually starting to get a little bit socked in here, so hopefully we can keep on glass, and we got a few more hours before it gets dark, so might just turn something up yet. Look what I found in my food bag. Some friggin' hot sauce. Didn't even know I had it. A little piece of charred up grouse there. Hit it with a little hot sauce. Oh, not too shabby, guys. There's something really just, I don't even know what the right word is. It's like satisfying. Like makes you content to hike on your own, just everything you need on your back into a super rugged environment where everything wants to kill you. The weather is horrible, it's cold. Find yourself something to eat, no matter what it is. It is such a cool feeling, and then to start a fire and just cook it over an open flame, even better. This is awesome. Thanks, blue grouse. You are delicious. Be better with a little salt, though, I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. Steamy, charred grouse leg. These blue grouse got some fat grouse legs. I am a fan of dark meat in general. I think you chicken breast fans are weird. I'm all about them thighs. Oh yeah, God does not disappoint. All right, you guys don't want to sit here and watch me eat, so I'm gonna finish this and I'm gonna keep on glassing. We got just a few hours of daylight left. If I find something that's too far away, I'm not gonna be able to go get it. I'm not spending the night out here, so the timing has to work out. But yeah, let's glass up some more and see if we can't actually turn up a deer or a bear or something. Man, you'll really start to question your sanity after. Well, this is my second trip out. Granted, today was just one day, but 2 trips out and I've seen so few deer. I did pick out one deer, but he was hauling ass through like an open space and he disappeared into the forest, so I never even got a spotter on him. But I'm going to start heading back down this ridge towards the car. I'm going to still hunt. Maybe something is bedded on this ridge and I can bump it. So let's get packed up and start walking. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is exactly how you should be still hunting. Little lesson for you. Just kidding, just kidding. All jokes aside though, I really am gonna hunt my way back to the car, so unless something magic or tragic happens, I'll catch you guys back there. This trail is so steep. It's something like 4,000 feet in 3 miles or 3.5 miles. It's ridiculous. My legs are actual noodles right now. If you know where this is, never do it. Anyway, I ran into a couple hunters on the way out. They didn't see a single deer today. I saw one. There seems to be some rumbling of low deer population, or I don't know. But anyway, this was still a very awesome adventure. So I left in the dark. I'm getting back in the dark, and I'm gonna go find myself a hamburger. So thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you on the next one.